Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and testing this dash cam for your car. It is a three-way recording video camera for your car. It does have a front, a rear, and an indoor camera as well for your car. So it's a 1080p camera. It is black box DVR. We do have another model available as well, but this is an upgrade from the previous model. I'll put a link in the description as well for you to view the other model. So having a quick look then into the box, here we've got some of the features. It's got HD recording, 1080p, camera rotation, 170 degree wide angle camera. It's got loop recording, G sensor, and it records voice. Looking here at the other side, not much information. And then here at the back, we can see some of the features. It does feature HD camera recording and HD video. The program is LT. It's got a built-in G sensor for emergency crash. The LCD screen is 2-inch HD display. And the lens, it's a 70-degree A-grade high-resolution ultra-wide lens. In terms of languages, it's got English, Russian, Thai, Japanese, Portuguese, and others. And the file format is MOV. The camera is a 5-megapixel camera. It does have automatic power on and power off. So this means that once you turn off your car, it will still record and you can still set the time that you want it to record for. It's got motion detection as well, time synchronization or timestamp. You can take pictures. It does support up to 32 gigabytes of SD cards. Does have a built-in microphone. So let's have a look then into the unboxing here. So if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. So let's go on then to have a look at this camera. So just gonna pop this open, and inside the box we've got the camera right here. What else have we got here? We've got a windshield support for your camera. So this is a stick-on windshield support. We've got a cable to power your camera, and this is a USB-C cable. We've got the rear camera. So this will be placed at the rear of your car on the windshield, so it records whatever is happening behind. We've got here an instruction manual as well, in Chinese as well as in English. And this is it in terms of the box. So let's have a quick look then into the camera. So the camera features the display right here in front. Then we've got an indoor camera. So this will record everything that is happening inside the car. We've got a light LED here indicator when it's recording. At the bottom, we've got the record button. We've got back and forward button. We've got a mode and menu button. So press once to change the mode, long press for you to access the menu. I'll show that in a demo shortly. And we've got the OK button. In the front, we've got the front-facing camera. Does feature, like I mentioned, full HD 1080p. We also have a speaker right here. On the other side, we've got a microphone, and we've got the SD card slot over here. So the camera doesn't come with an SD card, but I've put one in here so that I can perform my tests. And on the other side, we've got the slot here for the mount for your car, the windshield. We've got an AV in slot here, and we've got here a USB-C port for you to power up the camera. So this is what the camera looks like. And like I mentioned, this is also a 170 degree tilt cam, so you can tilt it around. And once you are once you have this in your car and you power it up, you will be able then to see the picture-in-picture, or just select whichever picture you would like to see for your camera. So this is what the camera looks like. Let's go ahead and test this out in my car. Okay, so we are in my car now, so we're going to be testing the camera. It's during night time, so I will be posting the video as well with the quality of the camera during night. So I've connected it to my cigarette lighter there, and we've got the screen right here. So I have connected the windshield mount over here, but I'm not actually going to use it right away. So I'm not going to actually fix this into the car, but I will be recording my journey so you can see the quality at night. So here, you know, if we look at the front, as I mentioned, so we've got the camera here. So I'm not going to remove the plastic protection film here, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. And in the front, we also got the front camera, which will record everything here inside the car. So at the bottom, so we've got the controls. So I am going to press here on modes. It's got no videos, and if I press it again, it will change through the various settings, and long press to go into the menu. And here we can now change the resolution. We've got the OK button right here. So if I press on the OK button, it will allow me to change the resolution. In this case, it's got the highest resolution, 1080p. Tap on OK. And then I can change between the image quality, cyclic recording, and other settings. So if I go over down here to what I want to do really is to go over to format, because I want to format the SD card. So press here on OK. Do you want to format? I'm going to select OK, and then OK. So it's formatting the SD card for first use. And I'm also going to change the screensaver, because I want the screen to go off whilst I'm driving. So I'm going to set this to 3 minutes, and that is now done. There you go, 3 minutes. And having a look here at other settings, we've got the version. I can reset the system. We've got the resolution, image quality as well. So if I open this, I want 3 megapixels, so I can get the highest picture quality. And then just going to go down here. We've got cyclic recording. I usually leave the cyclic recording at 3 minutes. White balance, so you can change that. And we've also got motion detection, so in case someone is moving around, it automatically records. Then we've got audio, so audio should be on already, which it is. And we've got parking wake. Parking wake, basically when you start moving your car, it starts recording. But with these cameras, as soon as you switch on your car, it will automatically start recording. We've got date tag, if you want to have a date tag. We've got G sensor, in case you have impact, it records as well. Beep sound, time setting, so I'm not going to change that for now. Auto power off, so you can set for how long do you want the camera to be powered off when you switch off your car. Then we've got language settings, a lot of languages available. Flicker, fill light, screensavers, and that's it really in terms of the configuration. To go out of the configuration, press the M button and it goes back into the recording mode. Okay, so let's go ahead now, drive away and test the camera.